Backsplash or miters is a very easy tool that we can use to drop on whatever we need for backsplash or on for miters. We're going to start with backsplash. Draw, splash, and miter. I want to put on a 4-inch tall splash, so I change my height to 4 inches. The offset is how far away it puts it from the back of the piece. So I have mine set up at 10 inches. Now, as you can see, we've got those on really easily. Now, there is another option when we go to draw these. We were using the edge command, meaning it's drawing corner to corner with one click. We do have an option to come in and do 2-point as well. We can click corner to corner and then where to drop it. In most cases, this is not going to be the most efficient way to do it. Edge is definitely the faster way. Color and revise allows me to then call out exactly what's going to get polished. There we go. So this top is done. Now, let's say that this top may have some miters. I need sharp corners here, but when we go to do any of our miters, we need to make sure we have the miter color called out on the profile. Otherwise, if it is not, and we try to draw, it's going to recognize that that is not a miter or a wall. So it will come up with an error code basically stating that, hey, you can't draw that here. So that is a nice double check. But what we're going to do is go through and color that in as a miter. Now, if I go to draw, splash, and miter, let's say we're doing a 2-inch turn down and I want it to be 2 inches away. I can just put in those and drop them in, color to revise, and now I can call out what needs mitered on my splashes. Same thing over here. We're going to just put backsplash on here though, but draw, splash, and miter, 4-inch, whatever my offset's going to be. And with one click, we got those. Color for revise, then we can revise to whatever color we have in our selection.